What's up, guys? I am in the box truck once again. Had to take the trash off the dock. I had to load all the nasty stuff off of it. And a lot of the guys like to leave their trash in here. So it's really kind of gross when they leave it in here. And so they kind of make me do it. And I come back here every time. And let's pull up. I'm just pulling up out of the way. And so, basically, what it is, just working all day. I work every day. I don't work 24/7. I only work about 6 days a week. Try to, anyway. Yes, I am old enough to drive, if you're all wondering. Don't have my learner's license yet, but I'm going to get it. I'm only 15 years old, so we're going to see. And in the comments down below, you tell me if I'm if I back up really good, or I need work. So if y'all tell me, I can work on it. So, let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and back up. And y'all, please subscribe, like this video, and ring the notifications so you get every video that I make. Alright, let's do this. First, we're going to turn on some jam. So basically, guys, that's kind of my song I listen to, jam every day. Get this motherfucker backed up. Guys, that's it. We just got it all backed up. And how did I do? Don't know yet. Alright. Mercy. Done with it. Done with it. We're done. We're done. We are done. We are done. Working hard, doing a lot of stuff. So, basically, I like to work hard. It's what I do for a living. See, that's the big old guzzler I just moved. How does it look? It looks pretty hot, right? How does the dumpster look? It's pretty gross, right? Don't blame you. It looks gross. So, just more work. Ready to see this shot? Watch this. Turn it around. Here we go. Ta-da! We did it. So guys, like I said, please subscribe, like, and ring the notifications bell so you get every video that I make. Alright, love y'all guys. Thank y'all.